Good morning, everyone. Well, still a snow chance today, but nothing big. We're just talking about flurries. The bigger story is definitely the temperatures and the wind, and we definitely got to talk about the wind because that's going to be making things feel even worse. So let's get things started at 9 a.m. this morning, and we already transitioned to spotty flurries across the area. The problem is we're going to be in this flurry zone for a while, it looks like. That does not mean that there's going to be snow flying around all day, but likely what we're looking at through the day today is a few flakes of snow flying, then it'll stop, a few flakes of snow flying, then it'll stop. And it looks like the flurries will be a little bit more frequent in the northern part of the area than the southern part of the area, because in the northern part of the area we're closer to a much bigger area of snow, so a little bit more frequent flurry activity the farther north you live and less the farther south. The main thing I want to track though here, we're going to go in 4-hour increments, is our temperatures. And what I want to stress is the temperatures we're seeing 9 a.m. this morning, this is as warm as it's going to be. It's only going to be getting colder as we go through the day. And already it's breezy out there this morning, gusts around 20 miles per hour, and it's going to be staying breezy all day and all night, gusts 20, 25 miles per hour, no change there. So the main thing we're going to be tracking here is temperatures. All right, so this is 9 a.m. Now we're going to jump ahead to 1 o'clock this afternoon. And notice how temperatures have come down a little bit. Still a chance for flurries, still lots of clouds. We're not seeing any flakes of snow. Still going to be cloudy, still breezy. All right, now we're looking at 5 o'clock, 17 in Omaha, 19 in Lincoln, 12 in Columbus. Still a chance for some flurries, still cloudy, still breezy. 9 o'clock this evening. Yes, even during the evening hours, still got to keep the chance in there for some flurries of snow. By 9 o'clock this evening, now look at the single digits starting to show up. 7 in Columbus, 9 in York, 15 in Beatrice. And yes, it's still going to be breezy this evening, so it's going to be feeling colder than this. You're going to be dealing with a wind chill factor through the day today and through the night tonight. Now, finally, late tonight, it looks like by 1 a.m. we'll be done with the flurries. And notice the cloud cover starting to break up at this point as well. But that's a bad thing because that means it's going to allow temperatures to drop even more. So now we're going to jump ahead to when is the worst going to be, and that's looking like about 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Right around sunrise, look at these temperatures at 8 a.m. 0 in Columbus, 4 in Lincoln, 3 in Omaha, 8, the warm spot, Falls City. And yes, still breezy, even at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. So these are our temperatures. You factor in the wind, and look what it's going to be feeling like at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Minus 17 in Columbus, minus 14 in Omaha, minus 8 in Falls City. So most of us seeing wind chills minus 10 to minus 15 early tomorrow morning. And when you have wind chills around minus 10, minus 15, frostbite can occur in just 40 minutes. So all the more reason, if you're going to be venturing out early tomorrow morning, of course, looking like a good morning just to stay inside, not venture out, but if you do venture out, can't stress enough, put on the hats and gloves, layer up, leave as little exposed skin as possible, and spend as little time outside as possible as well. So that's Sunday morning. What about Sunday afternoon? Well, it's still going to be cold, but some improvement compared to the morning hours. These are our high temperatures Sunday afternoon, but way below normal. I mean, we should be averaging highs in the mid-30s this time of year. Instead, we're talking about some in the northern part of the area seeing highs just in the single digits, and I do think that includes Omaha and Council Bluffs. A high of 13 in Lincoln, no more than 16 in Falls City. We're looking at partly to mostly cloudy skies during the day Sunday. Now, one little bit of good news. I won't call it breezy anymore in the afternoon, though. It'll be breezy Sunday morning. In the afternoon, we'll just call it a light breeze, gust 10, 15 miles per hour. But the problem is, when temperatures are this cold, it does not take much wind for there to be a wind chill factor. So when we hit these high temperatures in the afternoon Sunday, look what it's going to be feeling like. I think for most, we are not going to escape wind chills below 0. I think it's going to be staying, feels like temperatures below 0 for most of us through the afternoon on Sunday, maybe getting a wind chill of 2 in Falls City.